Sometimes in life there are just those moments in which one has to see it to believe it. With square footage getting more expensive every day, people on a budget who want to start a restaurant find it very difficult to run at a profit. An owner came up with an amazing space-saving seating layout, which allowed him to have more customers at a time. Something that's kind of a mystery is why so many people are allergic to pollen, with around 20% of Americans being allergic. In New Jersey, when a tractor slightly touched a tree, an enormous cloud of pollen fell out. The average longboard weight is around 10 pounds. A very impressive and smooth practice session came from a man who even managed to kickflip the board, something that doesn't make sense from an ankle perspective. With even small excavators weighing around 10,000 pounds, anything that gets in the way will get destroyed. An operator managed to save a pipeline by maneuvering the machine in a way it hops over. Sprint car racing is similar to other automotive events, but the cars are more designed for circular tracks and usually on dirt instead of pavement, and sometimes the car make crazy turns. Even though mosquitoes seem to be more annoying than scary, they actually can be very dangerous to humans because they can carry viruses. A man decided to show how effective mosquito repellents are by placing his hand in a container with hundreds of mosquitoes. Back in 1991, Michael Jordan was so confident on his free throw that he made one with his eyes closed. Sometimes we have to cut trees in order to build our houses or for other reasons. When a worker finished cutting a tree, a bear came out of nowhere, and not sure how the bear managed to get in there, but it definitely woke him from a nap. At the US Open, Nadal decided to hit the ball into the press booth to surprise the commentators, and it really showed the level of skills he and the top level tennis players have. In Bangkok, there is an observation deck which is located at 1,000 feet from the ground, and the floors are completely made of glass, making it possible to see the whole city, but definitely not a fun place to be if you have acrophobia. Usually whales are the marine mammals known for jumping high out of the water, but dolphins can also jump up to 30 feet above water, and it's amazing to watch. The Red Bull Romaniacs is an annual off-road motorbike race which is extremely hard to complete. Here is one of the racers on training, and it's incredible to watch the total control he has over the bike, while other racers having trouble with the obstacles. We all probably experienced the traffic jam several times in our lives. Back in 2010 in Beijing, there was the biggest traffic jam in history that lasted more than 10 days. The cars were moving at an estimated pace of 0.6 miles per day, and the jam was 60 miles long. At a high school football match, one of the players managed to make a catch that's as good as a catch can get. Despite not being that well known, microbursts can be as strong as tornadoes, with some extreme microbursts having wind speeds as high as 100 miles per hour. Here is one passing through a lake in Australia. When many chickens are together, they all tend to just follow everyone around. A man showed this behavior by running away. During Game 5, Damian Lillard made one of the best shots in NBA history against OKC when he managed to score a buzzer-beater three-pointer.
All-range three, and it's good! At the buzzer! Damian Lillard! Are you kidding me?
A very surreal moment caught on camera comes from this man driving down the road in Australia and seeing hundreds of kangaroos enjoying the show. Electron is a launch vehicle developed by Rocket Lab which costs around $7.5 million to launch. One of the most amazing videos to see is the footage of the first stage separation of one of the boosters. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.